Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. And guys, this video beautiful guys, high quality animals figure review, beautiful animals. So guys, let's get start this video. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. So let's go start this video. So guys, first figure is Spinosaurus. Look, is amazing mini size Spinosaurus, high quality dinosaur figure, beautiful Spinosaurus. So next figure, Swan. Wow, white red combination, beautiful swan. Look is amazing, beautiful swan. Wow, very nice. So next figure, duck. Beautiful look, high quality figure, duck. Wow, design is really beautiful. Wow, very nice dinosaurs. So very nice duck. So next figure, dog. Wow, look is amazing, very nice dog figure. Wow, white black green combination dog, very nice dog. So next figure, oh wow, look is amazing, beautiful dinosaur figure. Wow, very nice dinosaurs. So next figure, cow. Wow, look is amazing, black white combination, beautiful cow. Wow, very nice cow guys, black white combination cow. Wow. So next figure, dinosaurs. Oh wow, realistic high quality dinosaur figure. Wow, wonderful design, high quality making figure, very nice look dinosaurs. Wow. So next figure, sheep. Wow, white black combination, beautiful high quality sheep figure is really cute. Wow, very nice sheep. Oh wow. So next figure, chicken. Wow, look is amazing, beautiful chicken, very nice figure, making design high quality chicken. So next figure, Rhinoceros. Wow, very nice look guys, Rhinoceros. Wow, wonderful design, Rhinoceros. Look is amazing, beautiful figure, Rhinoceros. So next figure, duck. White black combination, white red combination, beautiful look duck. Wow, very nice look guys, duck, high quality figure duck. So next figure, snake. Wow, look is amazing, beautiful snake. Very nice look guys, snake, beautiful design. So next, deer. Wow, look is amazing, beautiful look guys, deer figure is really high quality duck figure, deer figure, very nice. So next figure, tortoise. Wow guys, high quality design, tortoise figure is really beautiful. Wow, cute, beautiful, very cute tortoise, very nice. So next guys, wow, red bear. Look is amazing, beautiful figure, red bear, very nice. So next, zebra. Wow, white black combination, beautiful look guys, zebra horse. Look is amazing, beautiful look zebra horse. So next figure, Spinosaurus. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, Spinosaurus. Look is amazing figure, Spinosaurus, high quality mini size figure, Spinosaurus. So next figure, gorilla. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, gorilla, black gorilla. Look is amazing, wonderful design, black gorilla, very nice. So next figure, wow, cock. Look is amazing figure, beautiful cock. Wow, very nice look guys, cock. Wow, made in China cock. So next figure, oh wow guys, dinosaur. Oh wow, beautiful design, dinosaurs. Wow guys. So next and last figure, hippopotamus. Wow, design is really beautiful, black hippopotamus. Wow, design is beautiful. So guys, this video like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support me.